खुलुमबाय बड'लेण्ड पाब्लिक रादाबाव नोंथांमोनखौ बरायबाय। दिल्लीयाव दिनै बर' फिसाफोरनि मोननै मख'जाथाव जाथाय जानानै थांबाय। गिबियाव दिल्लीनि जन्तर मन्तराव बड' नेशनेल स्टुडेन्ट इउनियन सुंदयै बनसुनि आलादा रायजो बड'लेण्ड सोमावसारग्रा आरो बनसुनि दैदेनगिरिफोरखौ दिल्ली पुलिसा हमनानै पुलिस स्टेसन सोनानै दोननाय, साननि 11 रिंगानिफ्राय हमनानै मोनाबिलि 6 रिंगासिम सोमावसारग्रा आरो बनसुनि दैदेनगिरिफोरखौ पुलिस थानायावनो हमनानै दोननाय। बेखिनियावनो बनसुनि दैदेनगिरिफोरा सोंथि सोंदों भारत हादराव डेम'क्रेसिया गैमारला नामा होनना। बेराफारसे नैथि जाथाया जादों बिटिआर गोजोन गोरोबथायाव सागान होनाय आफादफोर एबसु, एनडिएफबि, एनडिएफबि-आरडि, एनडिएफबि-एस आरो इउबिपिअ जों गोदान दिल्लीनि नर्थ ब्लक एमएचएआव जथायै भारत सरकारजों सावरायलायनाय। बिटिआर गोरोबथानि आद्रा थानाय माखासे दफाफोरखौ थाबैनो मावफुंजोबनांगौनि थाखाय नर्थ इस्टनि एडिशनेल सेक्रेटारि पीयूष गोयल आरो एडभाइजार टु नर्थ इस्ट ए.के. मिश्राजों लोगो हमनानै मोनजिनै आयदाफोरखौ थाबैनो मावफुंनांगौनि थाखाय गुवारै सावरायलायनाय जायो। बेखिनियावनो नोंथांमोना नायदो बनसुनि आफादगिरि बिथाङा मा बुंदों दिनैनि बे सोमावसारनायखौ।
Has failed to show that India is a democracy. So we have been given a permission by the Delhi police, but the government of India has forcefully suppressed our demand, the long-standing demand of the Bodo people, that is the creation of separate state. Bodo National Students Union will fight for the creation of separate state Bodoland, which is the long-standing demand since 1967. Now, Bodo National Students Union will continue to move on to achieve the long-standing demand of the Bodo people. This demand, this movement, fourth phase of Bodo movement is a movement to attain political self-determination and attain full autonomy for the upliftment of the poor downtrodden Bodo people of Northeast India. And I would like to appeal to the government of India, since independence, now India is going to celebrate 75 years of its independence. After 75 years of independence, the government of India failed to bring out the solution to the tribal people of Assam, especially the Bodo and many other tribal peoples. Now we would like to appeal to the government of India. If the government of India provide us with a separate state, Bodoland, then the Bodoland state will safeguard the illegal immigrants that has been entering the parts of Northeast India. If the government of India gives us the separate state, definitely we will protect the illegal immigrants that is coming from different parts of the country. Then we will protect the integrity, we will protect the sovereignty of the nation.
Would you like to shout your slogan? No.
Now, our demand, our time was started, supposed to be from 10 to 4 p.m. The police has ordered us that our time is over, so we will not be able to shout the slogan, but just we would like to appeal to the people, especially the Bodo people of all India, that the fourth phase of Bodo movement is coming, and we are starting from this cyber police station of this Mandirgarh, New Delhi, near the Jantar Mantar.
बेखिनियावनो मोनसे सोंथि ससियेल मिडिया आरो सोमावसारग्राफोरनि गेजेराव सिखारदों। बनसुआ आलादा बड'लेण्ड रायजो सोमावसारनो 9 आगस्ट 2022 खालारखौ दिल्लीनि जन्तर मन्तराव थि खालामखानायखाय सोरखारा बिटिआर गोरोबथायाव सागान होनाय बर'नि आफादफोरखौ दिनैनि खालारावनो बेलासिनि 4 रिंगायाव सावरायलायनाय। नोंथांमोना नायगासिनो दंमोन बड'लेण्ड पाब्लिक रादाब। गोजोन्थों।